So I was struggling to take the oxygen sensor on a Buick Lacrosse 2005, and so there is that boy right there, if you can see. So I was trying to change it because I had the code P0037, and it's actually bank 1 sensor 2, which is the one in the bottom of the car, just like right there by the exhaust. But yeah, I changed that, still the same code. So but when I look to the oxygen sensor on my tool, this one was giving me like a very negative current. So I'm gonna replace that, and I tried to replace this way here. It's too much work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna I remove the air manifold, and from here it's kind of easy. You can see I have room to work. So yeah, I was looking around, couldn't find this, so hopefully this is gonna be my problem. Yeah, if you can see, the harness is on the back, it's all the way here. I already disconnected, and I already have the new sensor. So well, hopefully this helps somebody. Okay.